Here the problem statement is remove a given word in all the places in the given string. First, let us read the string from the user. Input is a statement which reads values from the user. Let us save this string in str. Before that, let us add some help message here. Enter the string. Now we need to read the word to be replaced from the user. That is, if the string is like Rama is a good boy, and if the user wants to remove the word boy from the string wherever it appears, then that word we need to get here. Enter the word to be removed from string. Now again let us read input from the user. Word to be removed. This is the entire string, and this is the word that needs to be removed from this entire string wherever it appears. There is a function inside, built-in function for string which will replace the given word with whatever value we choose for. This string, let us replace what to be replaced, this word. Wherever we find this word inside this string, wherever we find this word inside this string, replace that word with empty string. That means we are removing all such words. And then let us save this as replaced str. This is the original str, and we have removed this word from the string wherever it appears and then saved that in replaced str. Now let us print the result string. The replaced string is, since this is string, we can just append the value because both are strings. Let us test this. Enter the string. Rama is a good boy. Enter the word to be removed from this string. That is, let us remove good. The replaced string is Rama is a boy. See, good is removed from this sentence, right? And this is D. Let us test with another example. The Taj Mahal is the world wonder. So the is repeated twice in this. Let us remove the from this sentence. See, the replaced sentence is Taj Mahal is world wonder. The is removed from both the places. This is the end of the program.